To connect a Coinbase wallet to Social Good, start by opening the Social Good app and clicking on the account option at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the Premium Membership status at the top of the screen, which will display a similar screen with an Activate Membership button. Click on this button. On the following screen, tap on the Connect My Wallet option, and then select Coinbase Wallet from the list of available wallets. This will prompt you to enter your password to access your Coinbase wallet. Once you've done this, a new page will open in your Coinbase wallet, where you'll need to click on the Connect Wallet Address option. After that, click on the Sign Message option, and a window will appear. Click on the Sign option within this window. Finally, click on the Submit button to complete the process, and your Coinbase wallet will be successfully connected to your Social Good account.